Hi everyone, you're welcome to this channel. Today is a very beautiful day and we're going to be talking about how I use CapCut Pro for free. Yes, it's absolutely free and I'm sure you're going to like it because CapCut is a very good and versatile video editing application that is used by content creators. I know so many content creators are using CapCut, but then after some time they begin to ask for subscription, and I know this mid-journey subscription is going to be very expensive for especially those who are new in content creation. For this reason, I'm here to walk you through all the process on how to enjoy CapCut Pro for free. Yes, absolutely free. So let me walk you through the process. Now let's start by clicking the CapCut icon on my desktop and see. Here you see the CapCut now is up. So before we start, we go to settings. Here, when you click the settings, it's going to take you through this menu. You see on the drop-down menu, you have general, you have performance, edit, and draft. We are going to this draft. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the default folder in the save to. So we go to the save to so that this will enable us to change the default folder to a folder of our choice. Now, for this reason, I'm going to change this default folder to download. I'm taking it to download. Here in the download, we're going to create a new folder in the download. Yes, or we're going to give it a name of our choice. So we create a new folder. And for this purpose, I'm going to give it the name my CapCut draft. This is the name of the default folder I just created. And I'm going to select this folder so that is going to be what I'm going to use. So select it. Good. We are done with creating. So we now save our settings. Beautiful. Now from this stage, we'll now go to the point of creating project. Now we are in the video editing environment. Here you can use any of the pro features of your choice without restriction. This could be any of the effects, the transition effects, filters, video enhancement, audio enhancement, color grading using the color wheels, and any of the pro features. You can use them. And when you're done editing, I'm going to show you the next thing to do. Now that you're done editing, you're going to select everything in your timeline. Just the way you see it here. Then right click on it and select create compound clip sub-project. Now within few seconds, it's going to create one single clip, which is a compound clip. And from there, the next thing you're going to do is to right click on this single clip and select pre-processed compound clip sub-project. This is going to take a while to process the whole clip into one single project. Now at this point, you are good to go. Now it's great that we have now created our project. How do we locate it? Remember, the name of our project is 0708, just the way you can see it here, I'm showing you. And that's what we're going to look for now. So let's open it. Now to locate our new project, we need to go to download, click my CapCut draft, click CapCut draft, then enter 0708. There we'll see resources. We enter resources and we'll see combination. We also enter combination. And here we go. This is our project. That's amazing. Let's play it and see. Beautiful. We are done with creating this content. This is how I use CapCut Pro for free, entirely free. Please, if you're new to this channel, I hope you will subscribe if you really enjoy it. Share. And if there's anything you wish to let me know, please let me see that in the comment section. Let's have a good time. Thank you so much for watching to this end.